This next step is optional. If you're already using MDI or menu directed inspection templates for your inspections, you could probably skip this step. But if you don't use menu directed inspections today, you can actually download a few different templates from our InspectionWorks store directly from the device. So if I go to the main menu and at the bottom right, click on Store and click on Public Store, you can see a list of all of the different MDI templates that we as Waygate offer for free. So for this inspection that I'm going to perform, I'm actually going to download a CFM56 MDI. So I click on this MDI, click download, downloads very quickly, and then on the live feed screen, I can click on MDI, manage, load, and click on that MDZ file that I just downloaded. And now you have the option to perform an MDI inspection with the new MDI that you just downloaded.